got a ball. Do you have the ball? If you do, grab the ball, hold the ball, and play with your ball with me. Look, I can toss the ball. I can toss my ball. When I toss the ball, it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. Can you toss the ball? Show me the way you can toss the ball. Great! I see that you can toss the ball too. Look, I can throw the ball. I can throw the ball. I can throw the ball, and also I can catch the ball. What else can I do with my ball? I can bounce the ball, bounce the ball, bounce the ball, and I can roll the ball, roll the ball. Let's roll the ball. Let's roll the ball with me.
Roll, roll, roll the ball gently across the floor. Rolling, 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 rolling. Let's roll the ball some more.
Great! We can roll the ball and we can play bowling. I'll show you the way we can play bowling. The insect bowling, the bug bowling. Okay? Follow me.
Uh-oh, look kids, so many bugs are here in my room. Do you see the bugs? Do you see the bugs? If you do, say, I see the bugs. I see the bugs. Let's count how many bugs do you see? How many bugs are here in my room? One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's name them all. I see a grasshopper. It's a grasshopper. I see a ladybug. It's a ladybug. I see an ant. It's an ant. I see a fly. It's a fly. I see a spider. It's a spider. I see a beetle. It's a beetle. I see a beetle. It's a beetle. I see a mosquito. It's a mosquito. I see a bee. It's a bee. I see a butterfly. I see a caterpillar. It's a caterpillar. So many bugs are here in my room. Do you have any bug in your room? If you do, find it and name it. Let's play bowling. Grab your ball and roll the ball across the floor and knock down pins. I'll show you the way you can play bowling. The insect, the bug bowling with me. Let's roll the ball across the floor and knock down pins. Uh-oh. Let's see. It's a bee. Bzz. Let's roll the ball again and knock down pin. It's an ant. Let's roll the ball again. Oh, 2 pins held down. A beetle and a spider. Let's try once more. Let's see. It's a butterfly. Roll again. It's a ladybug. It must be a caterpillar. Yes, it is. It's a caterpillar. It's a caterpillar. Let's roll the ball once again. Uh-oh. It's a fly. It's a fly. Shoo, fly, don't bother me. Bzzz. It's a mosquito. It's a mosquito. Just one pin is left. Let's roll the ball for the last time and you'll see which insect is left. Hop, hop, hop. Tell me, what insect is it? Grasshopper. It's a grasshopper. Correct. It's a grasshopper. Hop, 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 hop.
Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! It's a 5-finger bug's finger family! Wow! Cool! Butterfly finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Butterfly! Butterfly! Caterpillar finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Caterpillar! Caterpillar! Ant finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Ant! Ant! Grasshopper finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Grasshopper! Grasshopper! Spider finger, where